Akamti Sarabako Dagatan. How can you forget my songs because of coronavirus? That means you have forgotten who I am. So, let me just fall down. No, Alibera. Please, don't do that. No one has forgotten you. You are a national icon. You are a pioneer. You are a hero. You are a legend. You are a doctor. Oh, you are the most undisputed king of Oromo music. Please, your people need you to live forever. What difference does it make if I fall down? I think the world will still be the same. Are you kidding me? Just imagine, your tongue is not like our tongues. Our tongues are divided into two parts, the front part and the back part. But yours is divided into 5 parts. That is why you can sing in 5 different languages, because you use the front part of your tongue to sing in Afan Oromo. You use the back part of your tongue to sing in Amharic. You use the left part of your tongue to sing in English. The right part of your tongue in Arabic. And also the top of your tongue you can sing in Somali. We are not also forgetting that you are master in Swedish. Alibira, let me tell you something that you have never heard of. In Somalia, when they play your songs, even camels knows that this is Alibira's song, because your voice make their camels to swing their tails. In Eritrea, they use your song to stop with the wind. Oh, in Oromia, they use your song as medicine to heal their wound. Alibira, please. Okay, I understand. But I will come down on one condition. The condition is, I need you to sing one of my songs. And that's all. Okay, that's simple. Let me sing for you one of your songs. Shurururu ya brudukane yo, demawala la bensi fudengala. Shurururu mani kenyala me, shurururu ola walibira. Shurururu lame wala jade, shurururu miya wajujira. Shurururu ya brudukane yo, demawala la bensi fudengala. Demawala la bensi fudengala. Demawala la bensi fudengala. You see, even in heaven, God knows